Hello line dancers, I am so excited to teach you today. I give you a tutorial for boots and twirls. Nice little dance I just choreographed and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please send a like, send a vote, do a video, send it to me or post it online. We'll love more and more people to be dancing out there. So it's a high beginner. We have 32 counts, 2 waltz. Now we do have 2 restarts and a tag. They are super sweet and easy, so nothing to fear. I'm going to show you all the steps. So let's go through some of the steps first. Then we add a count into it so we can practice better, and then some music so we can dance together. So here we go. We're going to start with open steps. We're going to open in an angle. We're going to open wide with right and left. And we're going to do 2 steps back. Now, as we walk back, we want to step back with right and farther back with left. Bringing the body weight now into your left side. As you want to now have your right toe to tap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. That's your first section. Now we're going to do a rocking chair. Nice and sweet. We're going to rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. And we're going to now quarter turn to the left as we glide or slide nice and slow, and we hold. So we glide and hold as we drag. We're going to rock, recover back with the left. There's rock, recover on the right. Looking good. Now we're going to do a little bit of a syncopating steps as we do a step ball. So you're going to open left and hold, and then you're going to do a little skip. Nice. Step ball, so it's step open and hold again. You do it again, step open, and you hold here. And now we're going to do a toe heel twist. So toe and heel. We finish nice and sweet and easy with a rocking chair and 2 paddles as you do a 8th turn to the left and another touch and 8th turn to finish at 6 o'clock. And the dance is done. Yay. Let's do it with a count. 5, 6, 7, goes for 1, 2, step 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rocking chair goes 1, rock 2, 3, 4, slide 5, hold 6, rock 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, hold 6, toe 7, 8, rocking chair, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. Oh my gosh, that was so sweet and simple, isn't it? I hope you really like it. Okay, so let's talk about our restart. For restart, we're going to be facing 6 o'clock, and we're going to do the first restart after 12 counts. That means after your rocking chair. So you're going to do the beginning of the dance, which is open, open, step back, 4 toe taps. Here you're going to get into that rocking chair, and then here's the restart. And okay, so now let's talk about our tag restart. So that is going to be that you're going to be starting at 6 o'clock, and it's 28 counts to a tag. Your tag is going to be starting here is a pivot, quarter turn to the left. So it's a touch, forward, quarter turn pivot, 2 stomps, right, left, and then you restart the dance all over again. So the dance starting at 6 before the restart with the 28 counts will be 5, 6, 7, goes, so open, open, goes back and toes, 5, 6, 7, rocking chair, rock, glide to the left, so glide to rock back, recover, and here we go. So open hold, skip open hold, skip open hold, touch, heel. Instead of a rocking chair, you're going to do a touch, pivot, step, step, and then you start all over again. And when you do that quarter turn, you can stomp, stomp, have fun with it. And then you start the dance all over again. Awesome. Now, let's talk about modifications. In the step sheet, you will notice I added some modifications. For those that want to do some modifications, the first 32 counts, I did some modifications there for you just for fun, some styling. So here they are. They are totally optional. The first part, instead of doing your open, open, step back, you can do 2 kick ball change. Kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. And then you're going to tap the heels here, sorry. Yay? So that is only on that first section, first 32 count of the dance. The rest of the dance remains exactly the same as the tutorial. This is just an option for modifications. So again, the first 32 counts of the dance. So the first 8 count, instead of an open, you're going to do kick, ball, change, and tap, 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 right? The next part that I want you to think about, if you want to dance, as asking for spinning around. So instead of a rocking chair, you can do 2 half turns. You pivot half, and then you turn that quarter turn for your glide. Again, optional. That's if you want to do it. Now, when we do our side little skips, you're going to clap as you open and you hold, right? So when you do this, you can clap. Again, optional part of the dance that you can have fun with. And when you are doing your rocking chair here, you did your toe heel, and you can do some undulations down and up, and of course, nice big hip rolls to turn. Those are some modifications you can have fun with, and I'd love to see you doing that. One more option is the dance talks about shimmy on the chorus. So when you are doing your chorus part of the dance and it says boots and twirls, right, and you tap, it says shimmy. So when you're doing your rocking chair, you're going to shimmy, 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 shimmy. And that's it. That's only in the chorus part of the dance. I know you can do it. It's going to be fun. Thank you for watching. Thank you for dancing. See you soon.